Hope is a powerful force. It fuels our dreams. It pushes us forward when times are tough. When we embark on a new venture, hope is our constant companion. It reminds us why we started. Every successful business began with a spark of hope, a belief that something great could be achieved. Onpassive, like any groundbreaking endeavor, requires a belief in a brighter future, a future where technology empowers individuals, a future where financial freedom is within reach. This hope is not naive optimism, it's a grounded belief in the power of innovation and the potential of collective effort. Companies like Apple, Amazon, and Google all faced skepticism in their early days. But they had a vision, and they had a community of believers who rallied around their cause. Before we continue, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks. Onpassive dares to dream big. Its vision is ambitious: to revolutionize the digital landscape. At its core lies a belief in the transformative power of artificial intelligence and automation. This isn't just about technology, it's about empowering people. It's about creating a world where technology works for everyone, not just a select few. Onpassive aims to build a fully automated marketing platform. This platform leverages the power of AI to simplify online business. It eliminates the complexities of traditional marketing, making it accessible to everyone. Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, can build a successful online business. That's the future Onpassive is striving to create. Onpassive is at the forefront of this technological revolution, poised to shape the digital landscape of tomorrow. Behind every successful venture is a strong community, a community united by a shared vision, a belief in something bigger than themselves. Onpassive is fortunate to have such a community, a global network of individuals who believe in the company's mission and support its journey. This sense of community is palpable. Members actively engage with each other, sharing their experiences, offering support, and celebrating successes. This network provides a sense of belonging, a feeling of being part of something truly special. Testimonials from Onpassive members paint a vivid picture of the community's impact. People from all walks of life share stories of how Onpassive has empowered them. These stories are a testament to the transformative potential of Onpassive's community. The passion, enthusiasm, and unwavering belief of its members fuel the company's growth. Section 4. Learning from Resilience, Autolive Inc.'s journey through challenges. The road to success is rarely smooth. It's often paved with challenges, setbacks, and unexpected obstacles. However, it's during these challenging times that resilience is forged. Companies that can adapt, learn, and emerge stronger from adversity are the ones that ultimately succeed. Autolive Inc., a global leader in automotive safety, provides a powerful example of resilience and strategic planning in the face of challenges. Despite a slight dip in net sales in 2024, Autolive Inc. achieved remarkable growth in operating income, 42%, and net income, 32%. This impressive performance was a result of strategic initiatives such as cost reduction and the launch of new products. Autolive Inc. didn't let market challenges dictate its fate. It adapted, innovated, and emerged stronger. Onpassive, like any growing company, will undoubtedly face its own set of challenges. Market fluctuations, competitive pressures, and technological advancements are all part of the business landscape. By learning from companies like Autolive Inc., Onpassive can navigate these challenges with resilience and foresight. Section 5. Embracing the future. Onpassive and the path to financial freedom. The pursuit of financial freedom is a universal aspiration. People work tirelessly seeking financial security and the ability to live life on their own terms. Onpassive offers a compelling path towards this goal through the power of passive income. Passive income is not about getting rich quickly. It's about building sustainable wealth over time. It's about creating multiple streams of income that work for you, even while you sleep. Onpassive's platform is designed to generate passive income for its members. By leveraging the power of AI and automation, the platform aims to simplify online business and create opportunities for individuals to earn residual income. This allows people to diversify their income streams, reduce their reliance on traditional employment, and move closer to financial freedom. The future belongs to those who embrace innovation and adapt to change. Onpassive is not a guaranteed path to riches, but it represents a unique opportunity in the evolving digital landscape. With its focus on AI, its strong community, and its vision for a future powered by passive income, Onpassive has the potential to empower individuals and reshape the way we think about financial freedom. For more information about Onpassive and how to find financial freedom, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have an awesome day.